Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So today's video is going to feature some long to pixie hair transformations. Here we have this beautiful pixie style. This is a great option if you are looking to keep a bit of length to your hair. And then we have this gorgeous pixie haircut, longer bangs in the front for that one. Followed by this stunning mommy makeover. So if you guys do feel inspired by any of these hairstyle ideas within today's video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and of course hit that subscribe button to stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So here we have someone with long waist length hair. She did cut her hair into beautiful Peter Pan style pixie, followed by a choppy pixie makeover. And then another gorgeous asymmetrical style pixie. So leave me in the comments below which hairstyle from today's video is your favorite. And if you are thinking of getting a pixie haircut, which variation are you thinking of going with? So here we have another stunning pixie with the shaven sides and bangs. Followed by a pixie with a pop of purple. Then we have this nice curly undercut pixie style. And we have another classic Peter Pan style pixie, followed by this pink pixie style. Oh, so she actually decided to make her hair into a lob. Really pretty hair change. And then we have another asymmetrical pixie with the shaven sides. So if you guys want to see even more inspiring hairstyle ideas, be sure to check out this video next.